tired. And would you have to go? Nakatawagan mo nga kapatid mo sa linya niya. We're worried. We're here in Aliabu and Hulu is going to work. Are going for interview. I don't know. I'm just worried. Kaya nga. Ngayong hapon. Kaya. Mini-message siya, hindi nagre-reply sa kanya. Baka meron kasing tao sa HR. Heavy rain. Didn't take a shower for 2 days. Now it's cold. I can take. I don't want to get shower. I don't wanna shower. Everyone keep safe. We have a very heavy rain today. I'm just gonna eat Japanese food. I've been dreaming of Japanese food since last night. Not really craving. So yeah, I'm gonna have soup first. Yes. No, you stay here. Magagalit yun. You know naman her. I'm gonna give you wipes. Is that good? Okay. Wow, the soup is so good. I'm gonna eat first. Ciao, ciao. Love you, TikTokers. Stay safe. And I don't wanna say stay inside the house because I'm outside the house. Just keep safe, everyone. Love you, TikTokers. Ciao. Julio. Be careful, okay? I love you. I'm gonna wait for you, okay? Love you, Julio. Ciao, ciao.